After we know about the package size, maybe I think I can give you a brief introduction about the loading quantity of container. Yeah, the loading quantity of container different size have different pieces. Yeah, different quantity. Maybe this size about the 20 feet container can put in the 270 pieces, and the 40 feet container can put in the 560 pieces. Maybe I think the 40 feet high container can put in more quantity, and it can put in the 660 pieces. Yeah. Maybe we also can to look this the Christmas trees inside. Yeah. The Christmas trees inside is also the branches also can be moved, and the branch can automatically fall down. Yeah, you can look this. Yeah. When we install this Christmas tree, we just need to put this branch to fall down. Yeah, and open the left, make the Christmas trees looks very full. Just okay. Yeah. Now I want to introduce the next one. Yeah, the next one is maybe this is the beautiful Christmas tree. Yeah, it makes the needle and the PE Christmas tree. Yeah, also it have also many different Christmas decoration, just like the long pink corn and the red berry, and because it makes the PE material. So I want to introduce the PE material for our friend. Yeah, this PE material is the
3 branches PE, right? You can see the single side 3 branches PE and the dot color. You can see.
Yeah.
And it also have another materials for you. And look at this one. This is a needle materials.
Yeah.
The deep green needle materials.
It makes the PET material, right?
Yeah, PET needle materials.
Yeah, PET needle material.
And in the annual, you will find that here.
Yeah, it also have the PVC material.
Yeah, so this kind of Christmas tree, we can call it the mixed Christmas tree because it's mixed by our PE materials, needle materials, and PVC materials, right?
Yeah.
Or we also can call this kind of Christmas tree is a decoration Christmas tree because it is have many Christmas decoration. You can see the red berries and pink corns. Yeah.
Yeah.
In the our tips, we can see there have the red berries and our pink corns, and make this kind of Christmas tree looks like a fruit Christmas tree. I like this kind of Christmas tree very much. And you can see this kind of Christmas tree for the overhead float is clearly, right? The overhead is clearly.
Yeah, and maybe the PE material is have the it have the double color. Yeah.
Yeah,
double color. Yeah. It makes the one light green and green in one branch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see the bottle determines of this kind of Christmas tree. It also looks full. Yeah. The bottle determines of this kind of Christmas also the 120 signatures. Yeah, and the tips of this kind of Christmas tree look like these tips. The tips of this kind of Christmas tree have the 1,128. Yeah, so many kind of tips make this kind of Christmas tree look small for us. Yeah, for this kind of Christmas tree, it is also a hand Christmas tree. Yeah.
On Christmas tree.
Because it is a little large, so the hand Christmas tree can make this Christmas tree more easily when you open this kind of